Most of us are already aware of what UNESCO is, but little did we know that they have an interactive map that is linked to their landmarks database. And the best part of it is that it's open for the public. First, search up in the Google the UNESCO Interactive Map and click the first link. As you can see, all of the dots here in this map represents all of the landmarks that UNESCO have their data with. And here you can see in the left side all of the tags that you want to search. And here we will go to the city tabs. As you can see here, here are all of the cities under the UNESCO. For the Philippines, we have the city of Vigan. Let's try clicking it. Here, in the city of Vigan, you can see all of their data about the city. In the description tab, you can see the history of the Vigan. In the maps tab, you can see its map on the Philippine scale, the documents related to it, and all of the photos in the galleries are also accessible all about Vigan in this map. Now let's try the coastal and marine life. Here you can see all of the coastal and marine life structures that is under the UNESCO. For the Philippines, we have the Tubataha and Puerto Princesa underground cave. Here, and this with the same with the Vigan, they have the description and history of the Puerto Princesa cave, along with its map, its documents, and its galleries. All of these images are taken from the Puerto Princesa underground cave. As you can see, there are multiple tags that you can funnel your data on, like danger sites, delisted, transboundary site, nomination files, and historical description. There are also categories like all, cultural, natural, and mix. As a final feature of the interactive map, you can choose a 3D model of the globe. It's the same with the 2D model, but this one you can spin around like an actual globe. To wrap it up, this interactive map can be used as a teaching materials about teaching world heritage and locations. As you can see, it's not just an ordinary map, but you can literally click the data in it and all of the existing data about that specific place can be easily accessed. It's free and you don't need an account to access one.